Today we're taking a look at an Australian little cannon car, Volkswagen Golf Mark 7. It offers a great value. If you were to ask, the first compact car for young people, he would undoubtedly be the top choice. In the entry-level market, he's definitely at the champion level. He's also achieved an excellent balance between practicality and performance. The best thing about this car is its great performance. With extreme handling, you can enjoy a little drifting when cornering, adding a lot of fun to your driving experience. As a German car, compared to Japanese cars, its interior still brings a certain sense of luxury. But its car stereo system is a bit outdated. Let's get a CarPlay for it. Let's go.
Meanwhile,
Okay, let's take a look at our results. Wireless Apple CarPlay. Silky as smooth. Try searching for an address. Bondi Beach. It also supports the steering wheel control of the original car. Next song. Totally supported. It supports all the mainstream maps. Includes Apple Maps, Google Map. If you like Waze, you can also install Waze. Method is very simple. Just go to App Store and download Waze on your iPhone. Then it supports mainstream music software too. Spotify, YouTube Music, all mainstream ones are supported.